Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for yesterday's US session, which was Thursday the 1st of September. So if you haven't already, please come sign up for the Keyzone service. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. Please let me know what you think of these reports. Come subscribe to our channel. You'll get all of these reports before the market happens. And also if you join the Keyzone service, it's completely free and you get to join the Keyzone traders community as well. So with that being said, let's jump in into yesterday's reports. We said on the S&P that initial resistance was at 39.40 to 39.47. If we saw more impulsive downside action below 39.18 to 24, we can target 39.02 to 10 and should be focused on sales only, with the next downside target 38.60 to 38.68. If we stayed above the 39.18 to 39.24 zone, we had initial resistance at 39.65 to 39.72, with main resistance at 40.10 to 40.19. So let's go and have a look at the S&P from yesterday. Okay, so you can see the action was fairly choppy. We did hold that 39.40 to 47 area, but it was in a pre-market session. We actually had this move here. And it was in the pre-market session. We then got this impulsive push through on the numbers. There were some numbers at 3 o'clock. We got the impulsive push through that 39.18 to 24 zone. And that straight away targeted that 39.02 to 39.10 zone. So if you managed to get short on this breakthrough here, you would have had a nice sort of little trade there. After that, we got a little bit choppy. We did have some reversals and some support shown from this zone here. As I said though in the report, I was below that zone. I'm only focused on sales. So although these were showing some reversals patterns, you can use that as information to show that maybe we're not going to see that real strong push down towards that 38.60, 38.68 zone. But these are not really positions that you want to be taking and going long on because of the context of the market at the moment. Once we got back above that zone, we said above that 39.18 to 24 zone, we did pull back and we got a really nice continuation pattern there. Again, this one's okay because we were back above that 39.18 to 24 zone. A little bit risky due to the fact that we are overall negative, but we had that strong impulsive pushback, corrective pullback, really nice strong momentum continuation candle. So that was a valid trade there to take us back into that initial resistance, and then that was really the action for the day. So there was a nice reversal from the initial resistance, but that was pre-market. A nice strong impulsive push through that zone to target the zone below. These longs I would not have taken, but there was a nice continuation pattern there for probably more advanced traders. I would sit there and say that one is because it is counter trend. So that's the S&P. A couple of nice opportunities there. Zones worked well. Now let's go and have a look at the Dow. So on the Dow, we said we needed sustained breaks below 31,300 to 31,350, which was support to focus on, and below there we would focus on sales only. If we got acceptance above the initial resistance for 31,460 to 35,110, we had further resistance to that 31,625 to 31,675. So let's go and have a look at the Dow yesterday. Okay, so it's fairly similar action on the Dow yesterday in that we were below this sort of 31,460 to 31,510, which was the initial resistance. We got this strong impulsive push below, that's 31,300 to 31,350. We didn't quite get that push down towards that really strong sell-off. However, any trade should be managed around this zone that was mentioned in the report as well. So then it became a little bit choppy. Again, we said below that zone we only wanted to focus on sales. So this sort of reversal pattern here was not valid. Then we got the push back up, and a bit like the S&P, we actually got a nice continuation pattern here, and then we actually got a nice reversal from the retest here. So a couple of opportunities there on the Dow to get long, to target back towards that initial resistance zone once we'd gained acceptance back above this support. We did also say that acceptance above the initial resistance zone at 31,460 to 510, we could see moves of further resistance of 65 to 675. So we got the acceptance above here, got the pullback, nice continuation pattern here. Didn't quite get up there, but certainly enough to get the trade risk free, and then we managed to get up there literally right on the close there. So yeah, a couple of opportunities there on the Dow and the S&P. Hope you managed to take advantage of them. Hope you find these reports useful. I hope you've had a good week in trading. It's NFP today, so I will only be trading the morning session. I won't be trading the US session this afternoon. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you all next week. Cheers.